on an open field and he came to speak. When people see you suffer, they talk. But when God see you suffer,
kore kupenduka nokuhara nokusiemberi pokurara nito pamingwi mbeya
God came tonight to speak the word.
bakonja mukati kozonjira kudhakerero ero kati twali no strike yo do mahina mu UK no mundu ubehenda kushua kusha ikapeni kolata noho ya simeka pa aku purukuta simeka muna simachio no kori one very ko strike nu medo que algo comimbra no kati di odiri da kareka simbasha Rambi toku hona honero todo bethi koneke kuno mahina ya meya mo katifa no bethi imedo korona mono injesa opo e konjisa anda yeko ala mo Swansea simba ala mo Swansea kuja ako konjisa sha no muka mekaungura hapo no me rondo taxi kumedo kenda maikoso 160 ponda amija makapena kungwe menasha osimero singisho ya ambientero kurara opo konjido uyenda munkomene opo kanda konjisa pahaka hotel ambo ya simba kaitamo ka hotel uje ikaitamo kotomo ya kusha katili ompepo mjo ari ya nyatika injithora ompepo ka injithora minasha o environment ya ompe amipu hakara kusha mosha ompepo kati madena nasa na shomundu meya mu environment ya ompe ya no kokara kusha mundo ompepo made kupaha no kutesta kusha pongo mundu ngwi omundu ngwavupina omundu wishida wiganda shiri kotoka viti kemenomba liko timbatokera ku YouTube ananoho ya nongano ndosirwa opo anda kumba mudu mega tono ngapimbo hiterara ya simbara wisha no herara wisemera mboto fasa bari pokati kokurara no kiande mukambona yaganda konjiha mono mboga ja ono ganda komunda eka sidena merara mutu shapiti po bambarimba ependro rokoho ya simba pendro rokoho ni sime saponu roko maru heavy koi ami sime pratne ovandu beri metu ndora di ndeme na indranje ovandu beri mo modo intuemenda mave genite vinavya mave ungura ya tamu nongo ante muka ngoto kuwa sauna ndasa nusha kati yakari ude okurara kusha ganda akizo ongo de poet fako on gospel music kusha at least mainga menji distracta kuindo roko ndo vivo maruka enta ya si mangano sirara anjeno ganti musiki bastele kombana kusha kumbuno herara kusha yo ndo sound and my posa mon background kusha ponume adhanji distracta sho mundu meso kurara no ika ya so mundu meso ku continue wienda muko mune ya kusha anda terara mutu smei shombere ko poine kenda pomtano mbo udu kufulo mbepera kusha po mbepera yalo pinji ya amisimeta pachi ne virare so shirare mene ya bara no veno shirare ya mjogre mbika bhaku okuno mega po nanje batonyot. Ami simependuka simerifulo utado shapono utado kushita bimba. Ami idike mo kamburu kanje mba nyingena. Shamakubi. So ho. Ami no temo no men hiaro kurota poku okumuna sapene ina bi si jahipira po mapeka inde. Ya, kuja onanji o don beppo do izana jo territorial demons po the spirit and they mo ari anjo. Ya, nusio ata mo ari o Swansea o da ari ando da covera no don demons do matukan do masho do sexual demons. Deura mo da ari ya ferala sina kudamo katifa la nusimo mo Swansea. Other area da cover yo don demons no en as no baroku pahasa sina simon kasiri now and it's my second time ki among da wheels and I've experienced that for 2 consecutive times now. Yeah, kujamba beja other spirit the transfer wa men o sina simosha o ya moari o rivenjo ya men ya moari nji simuno mbepo do hako hakuja o mbepo ndo de transfer ku konje kina ko mundo ara no devi ya nanda sina sistane ke nanda simbatora kadu sina o shomithe na sibatora o shomithe o doro to kathi kadu sina burmo on dongeruka non dolama no nama lokasi no rakathi Otjiherero no vana henda men o shwari kapo to kathi peke o morokathi aruhe muka visi fa peke ya shuru kia mo gondola mo vada kusha muno violence o nyingi por man puve fera sana tuviono kuno vikari hano kushitavi ya kudamo no mondola man o mshido e hinga wa watakavara munjari yanchi kusha o vinda kusha men odo territorial demons da covera o tokati o tokathi and which a demon that is classified as per locality. Yeah. Pudo kushananda yoshua mo ari ya umbe. You need to bind all these territorial demon measure. Okosho kusha mo ari anji njua ya monjo kusha munonge demon nanderi munjo ari anji. And just to give you a clear view in the Bible, Shwata Matthew 8 verse 28 up to 34. Muhona Yesu ba kasta o the spirit o the hakohoke kudambo ombepo vandu vevarimbo watora atwa modon bindi which it's transferring of spirit other spirit and that transfer wa okudamo vandumba ade transfer modon binda pu dakatu pu kanda veka wira mo klifa ade ka wira mo muronga o binda de kokiremp which those are the transferring demons derimo shamo the locality peke. Yeah, and I was so amazed with I mean back no go baka sapo no kuja ondo sound and number do po ovi ko epata kuna me como muhana si menji regresa o po na poeambo o ari nji ungurisiwa for sexual activities. Yeah, memnasha nambo yaro kan na kan BNB now and it's just now what no biri hano kuja me toku hitamo po be just for the night kuja misimba no ku penga the next morning bi penga bienda ko bienda ko yenda wanji kumetho kienda and I was so bari masho kuja bienda kari kuna ina biasa kuja bina I just want to bring light to certain things. The more you experience, the more you bring to other people. Nanambo no veuto kushokusha nangwari kusha meri anga mokatiko virongo mei koshira moshorive siboto kuvalambo amisho mundu metho kukumba okute odombepo deri mo ariando kusha odombepo hadea kwa attack and kwa mimi it was when there was something that happened yesterday, which I cannot even explain, which I don't see quiet, and but men ba jami kira muna men I will pray over that and I will destroy that spirit nje kere mwari anjo within that period of time which I mean or motho can experience and jatha nango yeah and these are things that we need to take very seriously. Nadaguja to the more Namibia, port to the more America, port to the wherever you are. It's it's better to know your locality where you are going to, which I mean, or RNG to what is it known for. Men menaja ove nanda o shimo mbaenda o mbepo ale henda ni mo shokusha mo mbaenda o gembepo poro menji jiri mohari yanjo and kwa mino yari wisha men I was so tired menaja bari neighbor edo mena shomun mesekela no transporter and o shoro no mind the yurwa and o mbepo no ati shi wambu wisha the devil thought wisha poro me ma menji ma penetrate munjo o within that short period of time which I mean make kungri ma kungra pata on bepo ya muna shi na puiri mbo kono mana kushita ori men na be mwene kwa atakwa pata yet you come back and you fight and you mosho wisha or spirit and njari mware njonke spirit and God can reveal anything wisha ombepo njasi davi o shwa kumbire ko inu nyingire ko muhona the Holy Spirit will reveal that to you. Yeah, I mean, that is what happened to me yesterday. Because I just want to read Matthew 8, verse 28 to 30 to 34. I mean, just to give you a clear idea, which are what are transferring spirits. When he arrived at the other side of the region of Gadarenes, two demon-possessed men coming from the tombs met him. They were so violent that no one could pass that way. What do you want with us, Son of God? They shouted. Have you come here to torment us before the appointed time? Some distance from them, a large herd of pigs were feeding. The demons begged Jesus, if you drive us out, send us into the herds of pigs. Which are o the mbepo muhana is simoto kia moari anjo o the mbepo ndo da notice kusha kona kwea mundu nguno matha kombana yetu avedo kupura sa mopa haye po namba mwa ke kutupitisa monawi and they said to them go so they can come out and went into the pigs and the whole herd rushed down the steep bank and into the lake and died in the water. Those tending the pigs ran off and went into the town and reported all this, including that what has happened to the demon-possessed men. Then the whole town went out to meet Jesus, and when they saw him, they pleaded with him and left their region. Kuja odambepondo osida pita mnambuja da nyingere ujarikana simoto pitisa mo wandumba tutwa mo mpinda nda kusha ete tuhite mo mpindi kusha mbepo kusha oda mbepo da violenta ya kusha sida utokita mo mpinda kusha oda mpinda de vero vio da de tupuka de kahita mo lake kusha those are called transferring demons or transferring spirits and just to give you that idea which I mean wherever you go ponabe pumwe auri kwisha wai kwe pangarwe washiti wai pia pe kwai make sure you bind all these demons which are they are set of demons. It's made your monitoring spirit and mari anjo made your territorial demons made your familiar spirit there are so many that are groupings within those localities which are, that is also in the I mean Katusevere which I mean wherever we go to carry kombanda vinda which are to kumpe to tiene kumbainda o mbepo la hako hoge menasha o mbepo ndaori siwana which are o shwe mo mari aurive and where wisha we ke relaxa those spirits are going to come and give you a visit. Kia kutasha mundu vinu hapo no matini na ku challenge vina biathanakshi. Yeah, and sometimes, and that is what happened to me last night. I was caught off guard, and it was a bit warm. Kwari nei wakati mosha kwari no upshuminde wadi hewisha, and no mundo no mosekela no kutupoka makatiko kama hina no mbethi. It was quite tiring, but that's no excuse. You need to be on top of things. When the devil attacks anytime, he has declared war with me. Any mistake, then he will attack me. No mama getting mentioned dang your and I'll keep on sharing more information as I've come. And my next video will be on exposing ZCC. Yeah, me agia kumurigira shapo o ZCC tusha okereka fshi. Because I'll come and look into that, and kia njao on GV3 po kia njao on jerera ko vandu bapama munjo kereka usha onanjika kereka mwana butu dudandaseo kereka. It's a cult. Occult kusha vandu be worship a certain person or certain image. Yeah, on ZCC kaino shina no na muhona kakereka o organization njiri boyo yo vandu biri multimillionaires biri mo South Africa. Yeah, kakereka, and I'll come and give you more in detail, which what this church is doing and what are the secrets that some of us don't know that they are using to win people over. No, I'm getting and